Okay, today we're talking about the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bronzing Drops. This is $12 at Ulta. They have three shades. I got the shade Pure Gold, which I guess is a yellow gold shimmer. And these drops are about to glow your mind. Love that. This antioxidant rich tinted serum allows you to customize a sun-kissed glow by mixing it with your favorite moisturizer or oil. The more e.l.f. skin bronzing drops you add, the more you glow, while moisturizing and nourishing your skin. Tinted serum gives your complexion a sun-kissed glow without the sun. Customize your glow by mixing with your favorite moisturizer or oil. Nourishes and moisturizes skin with antioxidant-rich vitamin E and sunflower seed oil. Can be used on your face and body for all-over radiance. Available in three flexible shades. Key ingredients: vitamin E moisturizes and nourishes. Sunflower seed oil helps smooth and soften. They have rose gold, pure gold, and copper gold. I mean, I've never used a product like this. I just kind of want to put it, I just want to get a little crazy. And wait, I just want to put one drop on this side. And let's just see how crazy it gets. Should I use a brush to blend this out? I don't know about this. Have you guys used this before? Does it work for you? Do you like it? I don't really know. Let's see if it smells. It doesn't smell like anything. I want it to smell like tropical dreams, right? Let me try to like dot it, like bronzer, maybe? Oh, no. Maybe? I mean, this actually might be kind of pretty. Is it doing anything? I don't know about this one, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this and let me know what you want me to review next.